Adam, what's in the box?
This is very exciting. People have been asking me since I saw it at E3 last year. This is 8BitDo, and I did confirm.
It came!
8BitDo. This is the SN30 Pro Plus, the highly anticipated version of the SN30 Pro that I reviewed. Yes, there it is. Bluetooth gamepad. Like I said, it is kind of the upgraded version of this. Not only is it physically different, it also has some amazing software. I can't show you any of that yet. This is just an unboxing. The review will be up next week, so stay tuned for that. But let's open it up and let's compare it.
Wait. So can you reiterate what the correct pronunciation of the company name is?
8BitDo.
Okay.
I got confirmation it's not Do like Nintendo, it's 8BitDo like Nintendo. Because Nintendo what Genesis don't, or what was that? Sega do what Nintendo don't? Something like that. Anyway, so I'm just gonna physically compare these two sizes. I haven't seen this since E3 last year. But really it looks pretty damn similar from the front. I do notice a couple things. Obviously the styling's different. This is more Game Boy color, this is more Super Nintendo color. This is what I asked for because I like the Super Nintendo styling. So let's take them out. Let's put them.
So I see wings there.
Oh wow, yeah. Well, actually real quick, in the box, nothing, just a cable. And yeah, so yeah. But
so pretty simple then.
Pretty simple. So yeah, let's overlay them, and yeah, I mean this is, for all intents and purposes, this just looks like.
Can you do that again? Because it looks like it might be ever so slightly longer, the new one.
From the top here, it may be a little bit, but God, I mean it's close. Like it's close. And I tell you what, I use this gamepad all the time still. I love it. But one of the problems I have is the triggers. The L and R are definitely a little slimmer, and the L2, R2, you know, can have a little more travel. So that's why here you're busting out full size left. Oh yeah, and that feels good. Oh, huh. The triggers are a little mushier than I thought they would be. But one cool thing, like I said, in the software, which you can go watch on their website, they have this configurable software that you can change the, for lack of a better term, actuation point of when the triggers actually hit or not. So instead of like the Xbox One Elite controller where you can actually like physically stop it, you can actually say, hey, you know what, once I get here, it's stopped. So it's not a physical thing, it's a digital thing. But then you can remap, there's macros, you can do anything you want with this. But man, first impression in the hand, I feels pretty damn good.
What makes it feel good?
Well, I mean, this doesn't feel bad, right? I mean, this feels like a Super Nintendo controller on steroids, and that's exactly what I wanted. But this reminds me of a way better version of the PlayStation 1 controller. I mean, I have bigger hands, so it's kind of resting in my palm right there for me, and I have full access of everything. I mean, this literally just feels like an SN30 Pro with wings. Oh yeah, and oh, look at this.
Is that
a removable rechargeable battery?
Oh, okay. So it's not like a case to hold AA's?
Oh no, yeah, you can do AA's. That's interesting. Okay. So I'll have to confirm and make sure that this is actually something that comes with it, or if it just comes alone with normal AA's. That's interesting. Huh. Okay, I wasn't expecting that.
All right.
Yeah, I like it.
So what comes next, Adam?
I'm gonna be doing a review. Like I said, I gotta check out the software, check out all the cool things you can do with it. The feel of it already just feels so damn good. I'm actually pretty excited to try this out. And I know a lot of people have been asking. I still get comments like, I don't know, once every couple weeks on that E3 video. It's like, where is it? Where is it? And here it is. I think it wasn't delayed because of the hardware. The hardware seemed pretty final at the time. I bet it's that software. I bet they had to do a lot of work on that software to make it work. So yeah, be sure to subscribe for more fun PC World videos on YouTube, or read more fun articles on PCWorld.com. See you later.